beat, it call my name. From the roots of earth, it's how we say. My foot pang ground, my spirit high. We not go bow, we not comply. Why you feel? Why you here? The drum make the truth appear. Oh, drum of the silent talk for we. Echo deep from mountain to sea. Rise up your heart, make your spirit free. Oh, drum of the side, your destiny. Oh, drum of the side. Oh, drum of the side. The wind a whisper the tree, them swear the ancestors' voice, them never stray. Them say your roots, them run real deep, hold firm. My brethren, your soul for keep. Why you hold? Why you know? The drum guide you, take it slow. Drum of the silent talk for we. Echo deep from mountain to sea. Rise up your heart, make your spirit free. Oh, drum of the side, your destiny. Oh, drum of the side. Oh, drum of the side. Oh, drum of the silent talk for we. Echo deep from mountain to sea. Rise up your heart, make your spirit free. Oh, drum of the silent, your destiny. Oh, drum of the silent talk for we. Echo deep from mountain to sea. Rise up your heart, make your spirit free. Oh, drum of the silent, your destiny. The wind a whisper the tree, them swear the ancestors' voice, them never stray. Them say your roots, them run real deep, hold firm, my brethren, your soul for keep. Why you hold, why you know? The drum guide you, take it slow. Oh, drum of the silent talk for we. Echo deep from mountain to sea. Rise up your heart, make your spirit free. Oh, drum of the silent, your destiny. Chest. Earth cry out, she a beg for some rest. Roots dig deep where the spirit confess. Every footstep leave a mark on the quest. Drum of the soil, drum of the heart. Every little sound tear Babylon apart. Drum of the soil, drum of the truth. Call out the elder and wake up the youth. Them say the drum talk it, no tell no lie. The rhythm of the blood that a run through his sky. Winds a carry secrets what the mountain sigh. And the ancestors dance when the beat get high. One hand pon the earth, one hand pon the dream. The beat bridge the gap like a flowing stream. Drum of the soil, drum of the light. Cut through the night, sharper than knife. Drum of the soil, drum of the prayer. Lift up the burden, make this Silent whisper, but you have to bow low. Listen good brethren, hear the truth you know. Soil it a beating on me chest. Earth cry out, she a beg for some rest. Roots dig deep where the spirit confess. Every footstep leave a mark on the quest. Hey, drum of the soil, drum of the heart. Every little sound tear Babylon apart. Drum of the soil, drum of the truth. Call out the elder and wake up the youth. Them say the drum talk, it no tell no lie. The rhythm of the blood that a run through the sky. Winds a carry secrets what the mountains sigh. And the ancestors dance when the beat get high. Yeah. One hand pon the earth, one hand pon the dream. The beat bridge the gap like a flowing stream.